In this guide, I'll show you how to stop Spotify from sending push notifications. First of all, open your Spotify app. After your app is loaded, tap on your profile at the top left corner and you'll find a lot of options. Tap on the last option called Setting and Privacy. After you tap on that, you'll find notification option. Here is written push email. Now tap on the button. Now here you can select each and individual which you want to choose which push and email notification you'd like to get. If it is turned on, you will get push notification. If it is turned off, then you won't get. You can try on all of the option if you want, but if you want to do it all at once, what you can do is close the app and tap on Spotify app for some time. Tap on I. It will lead you settings. Tap on notification, and just with this one single button, all of the push notification, whether it be the email or any notification, song release notification, all will be cancelled. Now you can just simply tap this off and you're good to go. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Hope you find it useful. Please consider liking and subscribing to the channel.